it's hard to keep up with all of the different sources telling us what's going on and what to do at a time like this.
At CDC, our number one priority is the health and safety of the American people.
The FDA is an active partner in the novel coronavirus response.
And it's important that everyone knows where to get good, reliable information, whether that's through WHO, to know how to protect yourselves and your family, or whether that's through your national governments.
So let's try to walk through who's who and where to get the information you're looking for during a global pandemic. First, let's talk about the CDC. You've probably heard those three letters quite a bit lately. They're short for the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. That's the US's Health Protection Agency. The CDC is responsible for controlling the introduction and spread of infectious diseases. They conduct science and research, but also tell us the important health information we need to know in a situation like this. Their website, cdc.gov, has easy-to-read guidance on COVID-19 with tips from how to protect yourself to what you should know if you think you're sick. You've probably also heard of the World Health Organization, or WHO. WHO is also an agency, but it works with all of the countries in the United Nations, not just the US. WHO guides and supports their health efforts, and it also tries to improve access to health services, especially at a time like this. Right now, they're keeping track of the pandemic on a global level. In fact, they're the ones who declared the coronavirus outbreak a pandemic on March 11th.
COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
And have called on governments around the world to take this crisis seriously. Then there's the FDA. The Food and Drug Administration is a United States federal agency. They come into the picture because it's their job to ensure that drugs, medical devices, and the country's food supply are safe and effective. During this pandemic, that's included authorizing and expediting COVID-19 tests, working with the grocery store industry to make sure travel restrictions minimally affect their supply chain, and flagging companies that are selling fraudulent and dangerous COVID-19 drugs. For more on the coronavirus and other stories, you can follow NBCLX on social media and subscribe to our channel on YouTube.